What's up, guys? Today we're going to be cooking a Jack's Pizza. Sorry if it is backwards. So this is your first instruction. Get a knife. Okay. When you have your knife, you're gonna take the pizza. Yeah. No, I'm fine. And then you're gonna stick the knife inside. Make sure it doesn't touch the pizza crust, and just like turn with it. And then you'll take it off. Okay, so when you're done taking this off, you're gonna put the wrappers in the garbage and put the oven on to 425. And when you're ready to put it in, take the pizza. Do not put the cardboard in the oven, or else it will burn and it will start a fire. Cook the pizza for 13 minutes. Be careful. And that's it. Guys, hope you subscribe this video, click on the notifications, and get a bell, and you might get a prize. Bye!